Hey everyone, welcome to the Clear Digital booth here at DSE 2024 in Grand Las Vegas, Nevada. So we're excited to showcase some new products here today. In particular, we want to look at the LED poster. These are an all-in-one device that can stand alone in tall mode, but they can also fold in half, and you can actually have different content rotating on either side of this. So think of this as a digital sandwich board that can run in a wired mode, but also battery powered. So this is a unique offering that allows you to do a lot. It allows you to daisy chain these together and lock them together into one video wall if you wanted to for those pop-up events where maybe access to power is a little bit difficult to come by. So this is something that we're showcasing here for the very first time at DSE. Over here on our interactive side, I'd love to show you some menu boards that we've come out with. These menu boards are IP54 rated, and these are going to allow customers to be able to place these, say, outdoors on the sidewalk on the side of their building, allow customers to come up and peruse a menu for the day. So these are interactive touch screens meant to be outside under a canopy. So it allows you a lot of flexibility, comes in 3 sizes. We have a lot of offerings here in our booth today, but we'd invite you to visit our website at getcleardigital.com, and we look forward to seeing and talking with you.